Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome, friends. Hey, thanks to all my subscribers and thanks to all the new subscribers that are checking me out today. Hey, look, this is going to be another short video. You know, I try to keep my videos between, 5 and 15 minutes. This is going to be a shorter one, but I want to talk to you about, a couple of my clients have ran into this. Discover is checking tax returns for income verification. And look, most credit cards, as you guys know, you could do stated income. You put your stated income down. And then the other thing too to remember is that it always talk about household income. So you can put you and your wife's or you and your partner's household income combined, right? But what's been happening is that I've had a couple clients reach out to me and say, "Hey, Tom, man, I got this 4506C form that Discover wants me to fill out." And if you don't know what a 4506C form, I'm gonna read you the legal description. It's an Internal Revenue Service document used to retrieve past tax returns, W-2s, and 1099 transcripts that are on file with the IRS. The document gives permission for the third party to retrieve the taxpayer's data. The taxpayer must sign and date the 4506C document. So, and then actually when they send you the email, they tell you that you got to fill it out by this time or they're going to close your account. So look, if you happen to get one of these, whether it's from Discover or anyone else, know what it's about. They're talking about your proof of income, okay? Because what they did was, so if you had signed, and some people have signed the document not really fully understanding what it was, and when Discover came back, they closed their account because what they put for proof of income versus what their tax returns were didn't match up. So, but what's Discover don't take into account is that you use household income. So anyway, I walked my client through this. I said, hey, go back to Discover and say, well, you guys closed my account because my taxes didn't match my proof of income. I mean, my income that I gave you didn't match my POI, my proof of income, which was their tax returns, but you didn't take into account my wife's income. So basically what I had him do, I had him send over the last 3-month statement, bank statements from his account, and then also let them know what his wife's credit was, because typically they won't ask you for your proof of income, well, from your partner or wife or whatever. But anyway, he got the account reopened, but it was just the fact that they closed his account, because he didn't understand that he should have filled out the 4506C, okay? And then the other client filled it out not knowing. But this guy, he filled it out with that income, and they closed it because it didn't match up. So make sure if you get this form, number one, fill it out and make sure you include your spouse's or your household income and send that over to them at the same time you're filling that out. Make sure they know that prior to you sending over the form. Well, I just wanted to give you a heads up. This is I think my third client that's had it within the last 60 days. So look out for that for them or any other ones. Even though the market's coming back and jobs coming back up, we're still in the second round of COVID. And look, the banks are going to get a little picky again. So be aware of that. And hopefully you got something out of this video. But look, subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make a comment if you like, and share this with your friends and family. Like I always say, don't keep this to yourself. And then most of all, subscribe. So look, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot more videos on making money, because making money and getting your utilization down really kind of go hand in hand. So until the next time, be good, be safe. Thanks.